Hey guys, in this video we are going to use our $100 to increase it as much as possible by using the compounding strategy. Like we'll invest $100. If $91 becomes profit, then we'll invest $199. Sorry, we have $199 and we'll reinvest that $199, $191 and make it as much as possible. But in this strategy you need to know few things like this strategy your trades can go wrong anytime, and we are also going to use our favorite strategy as I have been showing you in my YouTube channel for a long time, that is parabolic ACR strategy in 5-second time frame. So firstly you put all of these currency pair that has over 92% payout favorite so that it all appears at here, and then make your candles of S5, so that means 5 second. Every candle of are forming in 5 seconds. Another thing you need to do is you need to remove this flag from here by clicking it and just select S5 as your trading time frame, and then click on your indicators and then search for parabolic ACR indicator and just click on it, and this indicator will be implemented in your chart automatically. Now whenever the second dot forms, at that time if the dots are forming above the candle, then you make trade by clicking on lower. Whenever the dots are forming below the candles and whenever the second dot is forming, you can make trade by clicking on higher. This is the simple thing that we are going to do in this video. So watch this video very carefully and let's see how much we can increase our fund from $100 by using the compounding. So we'll go to the first chart. We'll see no any signal at here, no any signal, no any signal, no signal. Let's keep on finding by switching the charts in this way. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and do like this video, and let's continue to search for the appropriate place where we can make the trade. Let's keep on increasing. So no any signals were found. Yeah, with this strategy sometimes it's hard for you to find the signal. Here you can see we could have made trade at this candle and we could have made profit, but no worries. Well, we saw another signal at here, that's why we made the trade. Now let's see what happens in this trade, or this trade went wrong. Now what I can do is I can add more $100 and let's keep on continuing without stopping. I'll quickly add the $100. So I quickly added our $100 to the account so that we can continue. And in this strategy, if $100 is more for you, then what you can do is you can decrease the investment amount like $10. Okay, so we made a profit at here, so we'll reinvest $192. Okay, and by doing this, if you are able to make like $1,000 to $2,000 also, then that is a great increase in your investment. But I also say that this is a little bit risky type of investment. You should not trade with the amount that you cannot afford to lose. This is a type of risk that you are taking in this strategy. I'll also show you one strategy where this same strategy where I have invested like $10 and made that $10 to $2,500. I'll show you at the end of this video. You'll see that link of that video anywhere in the screen, so keep on watching this video. We have increased to $360. Let's invest all of our $360 and find the appropriate place where we can make the trade. We didn't got any signal, so let's begin from the start again. Here it was one signal, but our trade could have gone wrong here, so it is a good thing that we avoided that place to make the trade. Now let's keep on finding another place. Here is one place, but again trade was done at a peak. Okay, it is a little bit risky if this kind of trade becomes. Okay, like we have made $693. So now we have invested $10, sorry, $100. Firstly we lose that, and again we invested another $100. Now this is like a good profit. You can stop at this point, or you can keep on continuing by investing like 693.04. Now let's find more place where we can make the trade. So here you can see second dot was formed, but if we had made trade at here, then our full investment could have gone. So here you can see here we could have made trade and we could have made profit. This kind of scenario happens. And if you don't want to risk like doing this kind of compounding, now you can decrease your amount of investment and you can keep on investing in the same amount, like $100, $100, $100 with this exact strategy. Now let's find more places where we can exactly make the trade. Here we could have got an opportunity and we could have made loss at here. Here you can see the green candle. So we missed that, and it's a good thing. But here you can see here we could have made a trade in this second dot, and in this candle we could have made profit. Okay, so here also we could have made profit. Let's keep on finding until we here also we could have made profit in this candle. So sorry, we could not make trade at here because there are dots. I got confused. Okay, dots were above the candle, and second dot here another dot was about to form, and here also another dot was about to form. That's why I got confused and didn't made any trade at there. These are some of the challenges that you may face in this short duration trading. Now one more thing you can do is you can add other currency pair also. Okay, you can search for other currency pair if they have over 90% payout and make them favorite and try to search for the good entry. Here you can see first candle have formed and we made a trade in another candle and we made a profit of $1,300. So now this is absolutely best profit. Okay, you can stop trading here. Don't forget to like this video, but we'll not stop here. We'll keep on continuing with our 1302.92. So I don't think $1,300 will be invested, like $1,000 will be invested, I think. Okay, but let's see. Let's find a appropriate place, because previously whenever I used to make multiple trades of $1,000, then I would only put the $1,000 maximum at there. So let's keep on finding. Here you can see there was a second dot. We missed this trade and we could have gone wrong at here. Let's find more place where we can make the trade in order to make the profit. If you have any question, then you can ask me in the comments. Here we got one opportunity, so I made the trade. Okay, so let's see what happens in this trade, and we made the profit of $2,501. So that means we turned our $100 into $2,501. So now what we can do is, this is the good profit. You can stop trading